The joints and tendons through which pass the locomotive's power and strength need to be lubricated and exercised. Light oils and heavier greases for the running gear as metal slides up against and over metal at high speeds. Heavy oils for the cylinders designed to atomize under the heat and pressures of the locomotive, to become microscopic particles flowing into the cylinders and valves along with the steam. This film, shot in an LNER box, is one of the earliest automatic power-controlled signal systems. It does not control a main line, but a freight marshalling yard. The railways in the post-nationalization period endured increasing competition, particularly in the carriage of freight. The goods train in the past was a different animal. Freight was dealt with by the wagon. Individual trucks and vans went all around the country. Is an A3 Pacific, one of the first of the big new express classes that were to become icons of this era in railway history. Once the PR story is cleared aside, this new train was still 3/4 of an hour slower than the 1939 timetable. Overall, most running times were even slower than those in 1913. The driving of steam locomotive is of course a two-person job, with extra work from the fireman in response to the engine working harder. The fireman watches steam pressure and water level, and has a cab floor to be kept clear of loose coal.
Don't worry about that, not to move it. Right.
The engine rolls forward on its remaining steam. The engine will now remain static for the rest of its disposal.